guys, welcome back to another video. I just want to congratulate those who entered into my giveaway last week. We had 3 winners. We had a few issues with the winner who won the £50 gift voucher. We actually had someone trying to impersonate someone. I'll do a separate video on that. But all I can say is, whoever that was that tried impersonating the winner, your account has been reported to YouTube. Also, I forwarded the emails that I received where you tried making out as if you were them. So that's that, guys. I'm going to do another mod to the Mini, something that I think is needed since day one. Since I put the body kit on, there's always been something that's been missing. Just on the side of me here is what I'll be fitting to the car. I was going to go with a black roof. No, I was going to go red first of all. I don't know if you noticed on the car, but I got red mirrors and red vents in the bumper. I was going to go for a red roof, but the cost of having the roof wrapped or sprayed and that, it was quite expensive. So what I done is I thought I'll go for a black spoiler, maybe leave the roof white, but then I thought it's not going to look right. So what I done is I went and bought another spoiler, which I'll show you in a second, which matches the car. The paint code is exactly the same as the car, so that'll look quite tidy. Might have some sort of graphic then put on the roof. So yeah, I'm going to show you what I bought. Okay, so what I've done is I bought a black spoiler here. I was going to have that fitted, but like I said, I changed my mind. So if anybody wants a black 2nd gen Mini spoiler, even for the Cooper S, Cooper 1, whatever, they all still fit. So that's available. So this is the pepper white spoiler that I picked up. This was a good deal. It was on eBay. I got that for the bargain. It's got the cap and everything. So this is just a straight bolting kit. I'll just show you. So on the Mini, you just simply bolt on. There's about 5 bolts, and then this bolts straight on. I don't think you have to put any sealant or anything on these when you fit them, but I'll find out. I'll be going out there in a second and be fitting this. So yeah, let's get this fitted. Okay guys, sorry about the wind noise. As you can see, I got the standard cap. Obviously this was a Mini one, but I'm making it look like a JCW. So to fit it, hold on, let me get the key. I've already taken the caps off. So what it is 5 caps. They actually just pop on there, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 of them. So there's 5 caps there. What I used is a little flathead screw I just got along the side, and then they just pop straight out. And inside there, can't quite see it, but there's 5 bolts. I'm using a small ratchet with 11mm on it. I've loosely cracked them off, make sure they all end in. But yeah, there's 5 bolts, and then you should pop those off, and then I'll show you the spoiler, well, the cap outside coming off. I managed to get all 5 bolts out there. I seem to have lost one for some reason. There's 5 of the caps, but I've lost one of the caps. Might be inside the boot. Had a few issues with the standard socket, so I had to go for a long reach just to get it inside there, because my socket was getting stuck in there and I was having trouble getting it out. But that's all 5 of those undone. Let me put that in there. Okay, so Let's close the boot for a second, see if we can get this cap off. Okay, so I managed to get the cap off. What you got to do is give it a good firm yank, and then it comes off. So that's it, guys. So that's where I got the spoiler now inside the car. I'll get that and then show it being placed on there. Okay, so I got my lovely assistant help me out. So what you have to do is line that side, push it back a little bit. Okay, so that's it there. We're going to get this bolted up and then we'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so let's get the spoiler on. It's quite nice on there. We're just going to bolt it up and then we'll show you once it's finished. I had to hold the spoiler from the back side while we had the middle bolt put in, but you just put all 5 bolts back in and then the dust caps then go on the top. Okay, so that's all bolted up. My lovely assistant is going to help me now. There's 5 covers, these just simply push on. Okay, so they just simply clip in, and there's 5 of them. There's 2. That's 3. That's 4. Last one. And that is it, guys. Try to grab him.
Yeah.
So I just put my parcel shelf back on there. Going to do a bit of a tidy up, round up the tools and everything, and then we'll resume. Okay, so that's all installed. I think that looks much better, don't you reckon, guys? Looks quite nice. But yeah,